Many people don't realize that a broken fan, yes, the one collecting dust in the corner, can actually be saved. In this video, I'll show you a unique and simple way to bring a dead fan back to life using just magic oil. Don't be too quick to throw it away. Fans that don't spin, make noise, or feel stiff can often be repaired easily, and this trick might surprise you. The first thing I did was unplug the fan and remove the front grille. This step is basic, but important to ensure you can access the fan blades and the motor. After that, I gently cleaned off the dust using a small brush. Most people skip this part, but dust buildup is one of the main reasons fans slow down or stop working. Next, I carefully opened the motor casing at the back of the fan. You'll usually find a few screws. Remove them slowly and make sure to keep them safe so they don't get lost. Inside, you'll see the fan's core components: the shaft, rotor, and motor coil. This is where the magic begins. Using a thin nozzle, I applied just a few drops of magic oil directly onto the shaft. Don't pour too much, just enough to coat the parts where metal rotates against metal. This oil is specially formulated to reduce friction and restore smooth motion. After letting it sit for a minute, I gently rotated the blade by hand. Already, you can feel the difference. Then, I reassembled the motor casing and put the front grille back on. After everything was secured, I plugged the fan back in and turned it on. The result? The fan that was once stuck and noisy was now spinning silently and powerfully, just like new. Most people don't know that a solution this simple exists. That's why I'm sharing it here. If you regularly watch my videos, you'll begin to realize that used or broken items around the house often just need a little care and the right technique to work again. Again, don't underestimate old electronics. With just a few drops of magic oil and a little effort, broken fans can be functional again. This method isn't just budget-friendly, it also helps reduce e-waste at home and supports a more sustainable lifestyle. If your fan still doesn't work after oiling, you might need to check the capacitor or wiring, but in most cases, especially with stiff blades or noisy motors, magic oil is enough to make a big difference. This technique may look simple, but it can save you the cost of buying a new fan. So before you throw away your next broken fan, give this method a try. You'll be surprised how effective it is, and you'll regret not trying it sooner.